Hey guys, we got these new fidget spinners and we're going to try it at home.
And tell them what's so cool about them.
They go up and I took mine off, so.
Okay, so let's open mine.
Hold the camera towards me. So guys, this is what they look like. Bye.